Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket and another Blackstone Griddle recipe. Except today we're going to cook some popcorn. Now, will I just come out here and cook popcorn on it? No. But like if you're tailgating, camping, wherever you have a griddle, and they even have the camper version of these, and even if I'm out here cooking anyway and want to cook some popcorn for later, I can. So let's check it out. On mine, I've just got this half, the two burners going. I have it heating up for now, and then I will turn the heat to medium-high. So on this side, we will prepare our popcorn. I've been planning this video for a while now, but if you've watched my updates, you know that I've been sickly and there's been some things going on, so let's get going. I've got my aluminum throwaway pan. And with my popcorn, you can use whatever kind of popcorn you like. I am using the little baby popcorn that I got when I went up to Blue Ridge at the Mercier Orchards. So I'm just going to sprinkle some in the bottom of my pan. And this bag holds 4 ounces, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the whole bag. And now, normally when I pop popcorn, I use the buttered flavored coconut oil. But I am out of that, so you can use whatever oil, but you just want enough oil to coat the kernels. And it looks like I'm squirting a lot, but really only a little bit comes out of here. And I'm going to go ahead and put some popcorn salt. I have butter flavored popcorn salt. And I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Now with some heavy duty foil, we're going to cover it up. It don't have to be covered tightly, just loosely. Now that this side of my griddle is heated, I'm going to turn it to a medium-high. I'm going to slide my pan down here. I'm going to turn it that way. Let me get you down here where you can see. And then when it starts to sizzle in a little bit, I do have my tongs right here that we can just grab a hold of the pan and shake it around. And when it starts popping, where we can keep it kind of shaking where it won't burn. And once it has been popping for about a minute, we can actually turn the heat off. So I'll bring you back when this gets heated up and starts sizzling and stuff. And you can also leave it uncovered until it starts to sizzle too. And give it a good shake. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. I tried to zoom it in, but we're starting to sizzle down in here. Right in this area. So I think I'm going to turn my pan a little bit at the other side. And I've got my foil ready to throw on top when it starts popping. And normally I would go ahead and cover it back up, but I just want you to see it start to pop, and then Mitchell will quickly cover it up once it does. Oh, there we go. Did you see it? There we go. We'll watch another one pop, and then Mitchell will quickly cover it. I love this little baby popcorn. It's so cute. There we go. I just heard another one pop. And it popped out. Alright, we're going to cover it now. And see, we need to keep this moving. So we're going to cover it. Keep it moving. And we should start popping really good here. Now I'll bring you back when it really gets to popping. But keep your pan moving too. I didn't ever use those that's in the throwaway pan, that popcorn with the handle. Yeah. But that's kind of what this is like. Okay, there it goes. I hope you can hear it. Yep. Okay, now keep it moving. I just wanted you to hear it popping.
Yeah.
Yep, it's going good. Okay, I slid it to the cool part of the grill. I'm going to poke little steam holes in there. And just keep it covered till I get it inside in case some continue to pop. But I'll meet you inside. And look, easy cleanup. I'm just going to throw a little oil. Once this griddle cools completely down, I'll just throw a little bit of oil on here. Wipe off the excess, cover it back up. How easy is that? And here's our popcorn. I've added some little bit of melted butter. I am going to put a little bit more popcorn salt on it. Give it a toss with my tongs. And there's our popcorn on the Blackstone Griddle. Like I say, great for tailgating, camping. Now you can season it up any way that you like it. How do you like your popcorn? How do you season it up? This is real good. And it did take it a couple of minutes to start popping and stuff. But it's easy. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.